How can you be responsible for fees during a pandemic? You know, like you lost your job.
A warning to get out and pay extra. Thanks for joining us for Fox 4 News at 6. I'm Jane Monreal. Despite the governor's extension on the eviction ban announced Monday, some tenants are still getting notices to vacate. Fox 4's Rachel Lloyd spoke with a Naples man who's already received 2 of those notices and shares what he thinks about them. Rachel?
On top of eviction notices, Jared Lawson says he's getting charged late fees for payments he missed back in the beginning of the pandemic, and there's no way he'll have all that money by October 1st. A carpenter by trade, but all of that was taken away when Jared Lawson lost his job in February, falling behind on rent by more than $2,200 and getting hit with 2 eviction notices a few weeks ago.
I can understand if this was not a worldwide pandemic, and you know what I mean? Like, I wouldn't even be reaching out. Like, I would be sucking it up saying.
Some good news came at the end of April when he found a new job, but with $15 an hour, it's not enough to climb out of the negative.
And I got to play catch up, and I still got to eat.
He worked out an agreement with his property manager to pay a couple $100 extra a month, but with daily late fees adding up to hundreds of dollars, he finds it nearly impossible.
It's an unreasonable amount. You know, I can't come up with this. To throw me out because of fees and to say like I haven't been attempting or even trying to do anything, that's not right.
So I called Lawson's property manager, David Huprich of Current Property Management, to ask if anything could be done.
I've told Jared numerous times if he pays his balance that he owes, I am sure the owners would be willing to waive all of his late fees.
Huprich added he understands it's a tough time for the tenant and the property owner, but his hands are tied.
You know, Jared's a good guy, and I know he has been doing his best to get on his feet and catch up, but you know, again, it's difficult.
An attorney I spoke with says if Lawson doesn't come up with that money by October 1st, the property management will have to issue a new eviction notice because the previous ones won't hold up until then. Rachel Lloyd, Fox 4 in your corner.